Have you ever wondered how to make really good coleslaw? Well, if you take cabbage and you basically mix it into mayonnaise with any flavor, the cabbage just doesn't soak it up right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a brine. So you take equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and you pour them into a pot and add some sugar, about 3 to 1, 4 to 1 sugar to salt. And I love fennel seed in coleslaw, so I add that in. Heat that up. Let the sugar melt, shut it off, and let it just sit for a while and let it totally cool in that pan. And what you get is this beautiful mixture that is just delicious. And it's a great pickling mixture. So if you're not making coleslaw, you can make anything. You can make pickles out of this. It's just really yummy. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna reserve a little bit of this because we're gonna add a little bit of this to our mayonnaise, which I'm just gonna do right now. All right. So once this is room temperature, you're gonna pour it, and remember you have to strain it because you have those fennel seeds in there, right? So pour this through a strainer onto some fresh cabbage. I would just cover this and throw this into your fridge. You can leave it overnight if you want to. It would taste delicious, but make sure you mix it around a little bit to get the flavor all through it. And what you get left with is this. Now check this out. Look at the amount of that and look at the amount of this. This is how much water is in cabbage. So this has just been draining for a little while. Look at all this water, it's crazy. So this is your delicious brined cabbage, okay? And this is the beginning of coleslaw. I have a bowl here of mayonnaise with, remember I told you to reserve a little bit of that delicious vinegar mixture. So we're just gonna add the cabbage to this, the now brined cabbage to the mayonnaise mixture. And I love poppy seeds, so I'm gonna put some in there as well. I also really am a huge fan of celery salt, so a heavy pinch of celery salt instead of regular salt. All right, then you're gonna wanna take this and mix it around really well. And what you'll find is that now that we have that cured, drained cabbage, that's when it starts picking up the creaminess of the mayonnaise. All right, then we'll take a little tong and place our gorgeous, delicious cabbage in a bowl. Notice there's no juice on the bottom of this. That's because we brined the cabbage. So that's how you make the most perfect coleslaw imaginable.